Hello there, welcome back to Arm with Muscle. Today I'm going to be going through a movement called the pendulum. It's a great exercise for opening up shoulders, starting to get some shoulder mobility. It's also a good workup exercise to be able to do the elusive 360 as well. Just to show you what it looks like. Looks like this. As per all these introductory mace exercises, you can do it with the mace, or you can do it with the sledgehammer, and it's the same movements and procedures all around. To get started, what we're going to do is stand in the rack stance, so feet shoulder width apart, hips forward, shoulders back. Then rest the handle of the mace against your shoulder, so not the collarbone, just on your shoulder. Allow the weight of the head to then drop behind you and lift your hands up. From this position, lower your hands until your hands end up behind your head. So you don't want to be up here, you want to be down there. Then we can start with a little rocking motion with the body, then transferring the rocking motion with the wrists, rock the mace or sledgehammer from side to side. So keeping the hips forward, keep your abs tight. It's a great postural technique, helps a lot with the 360. Use the wrists to go from side to side. So from one to the other side is one rep. So 1, 2. When you want to stop rocking, resist the movement with the mace and then tricep press. Then bring that mace over the shoulder. And as with everything, we can swap hands, either with a ballistic curl, or we can just hot potato up and down the mace handle. So, back on the shoulder, up we go, down, side to side. Make sure your elbows are loose, so you want your hands behind your head. So I'll show you that from the back now. Same again, onto the shoulder, let the mace head drop, down we go, and rock from side to side. We want to stop, resist the movement, tricep press, bring that mace back over. Make sure to keep the abs tight and the shoulders back here. So what we don't want is that motion. We also want to actually keep your head backwards as well. It keeps your hands back, so it stops the mace from hitting your shoulder blades. And if we keep our bum tucked in, it also helps prevent the mace from hitting your bum as well. Have fun with that, give it a practice. It's a good warm up for the shoulders and the wrists as well. And it's useful to be able to work up to that 360. As I said at the start of the video, you can use a mace or a sledgehammer, so I'm just going to prove that for you. Same technique, rest the handle on your shoulder, let the weight of the hammerhead go behind you and rock from side to side. Then to stop, resist that, back up, over the shoulder. It doesn't matter which shoulder you come over, that's completely up to you and whatever's comfortable.